Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the XO alert indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator works based on point and figure charts, which instead of measuring the chart by price over time, display each bullish candle with the symbol X and each bearish candle with the symbol O in a clear and distinct manner. And the number of X's and O's is important for us there, how many there are. And in this way, we estimate the upward and downward movements with them. This indicator is the histogram version of the XO indicator, and a cross relative to the zero line can provide us with buy or sell signals.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
An upward cross is a buy signal and a downward cross is a sell signal. When the values are positive and above zero, it indicates that the trend on the chart is upward. And when the values are negative, it shows that the trend is downward. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the box size or the height of this window, which we can set. The maximum height refers to the boxes considered on the chart for X's and O's, which are set to that size. The next option is the price on which we perform the calculations, and we can choose from among these options. The next option is whether to display buy and sell signals on the chart or not. If it is set to true, you will see that the signals are also displayed on the chart. The next option is for bullish signals, and the following one is for bearish signals, where we can specify their colors. The next option is for alerts. If it is set to true, an alert will be triggered. When we have these signals, the following option is for alerts on a candle that hasn't closed yet and is still open. If set to true, it will trigger the alert in this state, but if set to false, it will wait until the candle closes and stabilizes, and then it will trigger the alert. The next option is for alerts in the form of a message that is displayed on the screen. The following option is for audio alerts, and the next one is for email alerts. If set to true, you will also receive the alert in your mailbox. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them through the comments section to help improve the indicators.